What's that dance again? Dance better. Get over there and dance real hard. Do it better.
I can't, I'm laughing.
Ready? Now dance. Right over here. No, not there. Here. Right there. Whoa, stop. Right there. Do it right there. Do that important dance.
Have two important things.
Well, do that second one. Right now. Go.
I did do that second one.
Do the first one again. You can't shake so much, Fatty.
Thank you.
Started that game
Thank
yet?
you, folks. Thank you very much.
Have they started the game?
Say, no applause, just money.
No applause, just money. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Get my new shoes on. This is my new shoes and my new jeans. Thank you. Turn it off. Turn it off.
I got another important dance. I got dance. That's about a chick.
Like a blind guy.
Dance the dance tree.
Like he's in a Halloween mask. Nice facial actions there.
Oh my gosh.
Where's the antenna? Where's the antenna?
No.
Oh, careful. Try not to hurt yourself. There's the big girl.
We have the don't we have the before and after of Julie? The side profile? We need the side profile.
Sonia, yeah, we do. Sonia said that she's had so many photographs and all, now she's just sick of it. Hey, stand up. Give us a profile for later days.
Okay.
Let him back off, so he's got to get just the
We
right.
have this of Julie, too. That's fine. And the next time Julie's here, we'll get the two of you together again. Okay. All right. We needed the two of them together.
No, really, Sonia, you're
Good. Mark!
Stand up on that stage and sing for us. I'll have you. Right here. Right here. Okay. And now you can sing songs for Dad. Come on.
Dad, do this dance.
This is Zachary. He's painting on his workbench. Gotta build me something while we're on camera. He's putting some zip into it. What are you making?
A surprise. That'll be a giant surprise.
Can you sing your ABCs for the camera? We haven't done that in a long time.
Well, I know how to film cameras.
Well, I need you to sing your ABCs. What are you doing, Zach?
Calling the doctor. He won't even go on. Goodbye. Phone's not working.
Okay, this is Zachary riding his bike. We hope he don't wreck. Ah! I'm in the wrong spot, you're gonna hit.
I don't want to ride.
Right for the camera. Get on. You don't want to turn off the camera and help you?
No.
Can you get up that hill? Let me help. Can you say hi to the camera?
I don't want to ride anymore. Mommy, I don't want to ride it anymore.
Isn't this exciting? Zach's mowing.
I gotta get some more gas.
Okay.
Gotta turn some gas in. to me.
I think that's enough gas.
Go walk with me. Walk with
Go.
me. Go walk.
This is not what it is. Zach doing the Pepsi commercial.
This is Jack on the Pepsi commercial. No way.
The grand resorts of the seven
Go.
seas. Isn't it time you discovered them?
You got the right one, baby. Hoorah.
The first time I switched pain relievers,
That's
it was
nice,
from aspirin
Amy.
to Tylenol. Then recently, I switched again, from Tylenol to Advil. You see, I got these really
That's
cold
right,
and
Mom,
headaches, and I
baby.
found
Turn the
Tylenol
camera,
to
Zach,
get
on the
rid of
wall.
all the pain. So I tried
Go.
Advil and found that for my really tough headaches, 2 Advil worked better than 2 extra strength Tylenol.
Now,
Dr.
get up
Tanner
on-
Rush, Advil, tablets and caplets, advanced medicine for pain.
This is Zach's impression of Ernest.
The scenes of the Gulf War.
You ready?
Names really matter.
Do it.
Diane
I
Sawyer,
can
Sam Donaldson,
take No, I'm singing.
Okay.
Daddy cake, daddy cake.
Story of George Armstrong Custer, one of the most misunderstood men ever. Gary Cole with Anna Arquette, Ronnie A. Grant, star in Son of the Morning Star, BBC
and throw it in
miniseries,
pit.
next
Book,
Sunday,
baby,
7
and
o'clock
me.
Central Time.
Now do
Giant
Ernest.
salmon at their own
You know what I gotta do?
He can do it.
I can do my giant salmon. Choo-ba-doo, choo-ba-doo. Jibbo, jibbo, jabbo, jibbo. Go busy, go busy. Jabbo, jabbo, bim, bum, bum,
Giants didn't want to be
bum,
down
bum.
17-3. No team, of course, does. But if the Giants were to fall behind by 2
Jabbo,
touchdowns,
jabbo, win with my son. No way can you.
and hold Buffalo without another point.
And those are point totals that just haven't been coming easy to New York Giants, Al. I mean, not to mention the
Don't
fact that
be,
at the pace that they move offensively, it would take them a half to score that long. It's score every possession.
That was Ernest. Do Ernest again. Close up, Dad.
Flag. Anderson close to a first down. Having the penalty.
Didn't do it
and
very
the
loud.
tackle. And so frequently the holding call, that flag right in the middle of the line.
Now to do a dance.
Okay.
It's called Jack and the Beanstalk.
Tell the camera.
Nice Bardos
This dance is called Jack and the
who was
Beanstalk.
in the middle of that thing. If you're guilty by how close the flag lands to you.
Holding. Number 6
Jack
on that. Still second down.
He found
Bardos
some magic.
Hands the ball this
Boy,
July.
free
You
Jack.
ever try to kick that flag
Then
and cover around your
Jack
ankle?
and
So
him.
the worst,
Then his mother put him on the floor in the grass. Then a beanstalk rolled in the one. Didn't know with those ones. The sign Jesus did. Jack the player.
Tell the camera.
Jesus.